Sai Ram, good morning Sai Sevaks. Today is the second day of the Yatra and right now the Palki has left Thane. The Palki is right behind me. I think you can see it. Last night the Palki had travelled from Dara to Thane, almost 25 kilometers, and from here now it is 6:20 and the Palki has left Thane. The Palki had rested at Thane itself at Parabwadi. It's 6:57 right now and we have reached at the Viviana Mall. Time right now is 8:38 and we have reached at the place where the Palki is to be offered Naivedya, the breakfast Naivedya here, and this is where most of the Sai Sevaks will have their breakfast as well for the day. So as you can see behind me, many Sai Sevaks have already reached here. This is where the Palki is going to rest once it reaches here. For the time being we are going to the backyard and we'll rest there instead.
The Sai Palki rested at Kashiri for about an hour. The Sai Palki has offered Shiraz Naivedya here. Sai Sevaks rested here with the Palki for a while they had their breakfast. The Palki rested further at 9:30.
So we had some shira for breakfast here. It is 9:40 right now. The Palki has left almost 10 minutes ago. The metro line which is under construction here. This helps us a lot because it casts a shade onto the road. That makes it easier for us cyclists to walk. Just like yesterday, what you saw at Vikrodi or Chunabhatti, there are various stalls set up here at Bhiwandi itself. Every few meters there are stalls set up by Sai Bucks. At the stalls they offer Sai snacks with lots of stuff like fruits, watermelon, water to drink and other stuff as well. जूता छोड़ो.
Starting from Hanespuram Wadi at about 6 in the morning, the Sai Palki travelled about 16 kilometers to reach Bhiwandi by 12 pm. To receive a grand welcome. The resident Sai Bhakts of Bhimandi had gathered in small groups alongside the road every few meters to have the darshan of the Sai Palki. The Sai Palki too would stop briefly for the Bhakts to have the darshan.
So we have reached at the place where the Madhyana Aarti would be performed. This is the mayor's house of the city of Bhiwandi, and besides the mayor's house there is a ground, and that is where the palki will be camped. The Madhyana Aarti would be performed there, and also the Sai Palki would be offered Naivedya of lunch. The Sai Sevaks will also have the lunch right here, and much of the afternoon we'll spend it here.
After the Madhyana Aarti, the Sai Palki was offered lunch as Naivedya here. The Sai Palki and its Sai Sevaks rested here for much of the afternoon before proceeding further at about 4 p.m.
So this is the place where everyone has their lunch, and people from Bhiwandi are also here. They are here to have the prasad. They are here to have the bhandara. There is a fair chance that we rested for a long time. We overslept and rested for a very long time, so that is why was that we have come down here. The palki has already left, and now we have to catch up with the palki. The time right now is around 4:45, and that's why the palki is so much ahead of us. They must have left around 4:15 or somewhere between 4 and 4:15. As I've already told you that our luggage and other stuff is carried by a truck, and that is the same for many other Sai Sevaks as well. We have hundreds of trucks which carry our luggage with us, but Sai Sevaks do come up with innovative ways to carry their stuff around like this. Palki waited here for some time before proceeding. Meanwhile, we were able to catch up with the palki. The sea of people you are seeing right now is not just a Sai Sevaks. There are thousands of Sai devotees from Bhiwandi who are accompanying us towards the place where the Madhupa Aarti is to be performed. So in a way they are seeing us off. At the place where the Dhupa Aarti will be performed. The palki is not here yet, but it will be in some time. I can actually see the palki there. While the Dhupa Aarti is being performed, we are going to rest in here. Now that the Dhupa Aarti is over, the Sai devotees who have travelled from Bhiwandi till here will go back towards their home, and will then further head towards Naredi Bagh.
सर्व पदयात्री साई माऊलींनी चालताना अपघात होईल अशा प्रकारे फोटो काढू नये, स्वतःची काळजी घ्यावी. सर्व पदयात्री साई माऊलींनी शक्यतो आपला विमा काढावा, त्याची जबाबदारी मंडळावर राहणार नाही. सर्व पदयात्री साई माऊलींनी पदयात्रेत कोणतेही व्यसन करू नये. जर कोणी साई बाबा मी शिर्डीला पायी चालत येईल, 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 पायी चालत येईल, सुख दुःख मी भागेल, पायी चालत येईल, सुख दुःख मी भागेल, साई बाबा माझी साई मी खरी वाली, साई बाबा माझी साई
Even this late in the evening, we would come across many Sai Bhakts who had gathered alongside the road or had set up stalls to offer Sai sales with water to drink and food or prasad to eat.
Just like I've told you, the vehicles which carry our stuff and which set up our cabs, they are decorated very uniquely. Such as that vehicle behind me, I've just recorded it. So what they have done is, they have set up the Dwarka Mai, like they have set up a decoration which looks like the Dwarka Mai at Shirdi on top of the vehicle. We are at Padga right now. This is where we will camp for the night. So the important part is we now have to look for our vehicle first. That there is our car, this one. The one with 2 flags. So right now we have just set up camp and we found our truck here. This is where we are going to sleep for the night. Out in the open. And the palki is yet to arrive. We have reached here early. So for the second day of the Yatra, the Sai Palki has travelled 35 kilometers from Parabadi in Thane, from where we begin. From Parabadi to Padga, overall 35 kilometers. And right now we are going to rest here. The Sai Palki will rest here. Many Sai Sikhs are going to sleep here for the night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So for the third day of the Yatra, if you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you Sai Civics soon. Om Sai Ram.